welcome back to my channel. I am here with a Boxy charm. Now I've had this for probably a week. Like I said in my last 3 videos, I cut my hand and I just did not feel like doing any videos. But I'm in the mood to open this Boxy charm box. So if you want to see what I got, let's get into this box. Now I did cut this part just before I started this video, just to make it quicker, easier, and safer for me. Alright, let's see what we got. That's what it looks like when you open it, and there's a, what is that up there, Boxy charm, and you can follow them on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And here is our little pamphlet, Boxy charm, and this month's theme is road tripping. Oh, I was hoping that I would get like 3 of these things that are in here. I'm so excited. Yes. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, okay. So I'm going to keep this out so I can let you know the prices on the stuff. And there are the contents of my box. And first we have Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And the color is black, I believe, but there's the, and I've never had a mascara that came in this type of tube. This is like, you know, lip gloss. It's like a lip gloss tube, so pretty excited about that. At least you can like get all of the mascara out of there. That is going to be awesome. And it is black. Oh, this is gonna, oh, it does have a slight curve in it. That's gonna, I can't wait to use this. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use this. And this is 0.32 ounces, and the price on this is $24. $24. Wow, that's quite a bit for that. And then next we have Dr. Brandt No More Baggage and Needles No More. I am so happy I got this, because let me tell you, I wake up, it is total like a whole airplane full of baggage underneath my eyeballs. So I am excited to try this. Oh, cannot wait to try this. Trying to see, is it a clear? Well, it doesn't want to come out, so. Oh, it's pink. Yeah, it's pink. Isn't that something? Yeah, it's like, you can be able to see it, but it's like pink, and then it just disappears into your skin. I can't wait. I'm gonna use this tomorrow morning, and I'm not gonna look like, you know, somebody carrying some bags around. Cannot wait to use that. The next we have Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream, and there is, this is hard to do here. There we go. Here, there. This, I don't exactly know too much about this one. Let's see. Add some wow to your brows. The innovative eyebrow cream. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. Yes, the velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. And the price on this is $26. $26. Oh, and the Dr. Brandt, $42. For this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, $42. Holy guacamole. That's a lot of dollars. But I have like, I might as well have bald eyebrows, because mine just, they are non-existent. Oh wow. There's the brush. I wonder what this end does. Oh, look at that. So you take this and you put it in there, right? And then, okay. All right, I get it, okay. So it's kind of like a sponge in there. And then you just, oh, so cool, so cool. But there is the eyebrow cream. Wow, that, I'm so excited to use this. I cannot wait. Now, when I first had to start doing my eyebrows, I started out drawing them on, as I'm sure every woman starts out that way. But then, you know, you kind of, you keep going up the ladder, and this is probably the top of the ladder. Maybe the top of the ladder. I'm excited for that. I cannot wait for that. And like I said, that was manufacturer price $26. And then next we have Luminous Silk Compact Blusher from Note, and this is $11.99. It's designed to work for all skin types. This luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness. With its argan oil infused formula, the built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. I use a rule, don't normally wear a lot of blush. Probably if I use this, it would last me like a year. So yeah, but this is in the color Desert Rose. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. I'm a little excited about this. If I can get it open, that is. Maybe you gotta push in and then pull. Oh, there it goes. Okay, well, that was backwards, but okay. And there's the mirror, but I'll show you the color. That's it's pretty dark. And then you lift this up, and then underneath is the brush. There's a little brush. Let me turn it around here so you can see what I'm talking about. And it says Note on it. And this is a nice little brush. Probably not ever use that. I don't think that I will be keeping this. I think it's gonna go into my giveaway. When I reach 1,500 subscribers, it's going in a giveaway. So we gotta get there so I can get this stuff out to a very lucky person. And then last but not least, we have a palette. I love their palettes. This is the Crown Brush Fuego Eyeshadow Collection. Made up of rich warm tone shades, this creamy high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam #goals. And the price on this is $29.99. So let's open this up. Oh, I don't want that. Oh, that's some pretty dark colors there. All right, let me cover the mirror up because I don't want you guys to. But there are the colors. They're not too bad, but they're pretty dark for my taste. They're pretty dark, so there. Yeah, they're fairly dark. I mean, I probably would only use probably the lighter first 2, maybe 3, but I don't think that I'm keeping this either. I think it's going in a giveaway very soon. Sorry about that. My husband was asking me a question. Didn't realize that I was shooting a video. So, this palette will be going in my 1,500 subscriber giveaway video. So if you watch my videos regularly, you need to keep track of what is going in that giveaway. So if you watch my videos, you will know that I received a Julie box. Oh, last month I think it was. Anyway, the necklace and earrings in the Julie box are going in that giveaway as well, in the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. Now mind you, I still have 450 some subscribers to get, but I don't think it'll take that long. Hopefully it won't take that long. And besides that, the longer it takes, the more the winner will receive. So that's it for my Boxy Charm unboxing. I know at this point in the month, everybody has already gotten theirs, and you've probably seen everything you need to see. But Boxy Charm in the month of September, you have to be a subscriber in the month of August. In the month of September, they will be coming out with a box called Boxy Luxe. I don't know how much it's going to cost yet. I'm still keeping my ears open on YouTube to find out that information because I don't know. But I do know that it will include a few more items and it will cost a little bit more. But I am super stoked about getting that box. And from what I understand, I think they're only going to do it every 3 months. Don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure that's what I took away from that video. I'm pretty excited about that. I hands down love Boxy Charm. I cannot wait. Every month I am like stalking the internet trying to find out when I'm going to get it, and I just, sometimes I'm like a little kid at Christmas when I get it, and other times I'm kind of like, I need to stop watching other people's videos until I get mine. Maybe I'll be a little bit more excited, but I cannot wait for that Boxy Luxe box to come out. I am super excited about that. So let me know if you like Boxy Charm. Do you get Boxy Charm? What did you get? You saw what I got. Let me know what you guys got. And if you don't get it, I'll leave a link down below where you can go and sign up for Boxy Charm. It's $21 a month for 4 to 5 full-size makeup and beauty products. And what do you got to lose? One of the items in that box pays for the whole box. So I want to thank my subscribers for being subscribed and supporting me. Thank you very much. I truthfully and truly appreciate you all. And if you're not yet subscribed, consider smashing that subscribe button down below and giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment if you get Boxy Charm, or if you're thinking about trying it, go ahead and use my link. I would love for you to join Boxy Charm. It's an awesome company. So that's it, everybody. That is all I got for now. I will see you in another video very soon. Bye now.